Silver's Blue. Silver's Blue is a studio album by American jazz pianist Horace Silver recorded for the Epic label in 1956, featuring performances by Silver with Joe Gordon, Hank Mobley, Doug Watkins, and Kenny Clarke, and another session with Donald Byrd and Art Taylor replacing Gordon and Clarke. Silver, Mobley, Watkins, and Byrd all had recently left the Jazz Messengers. These were Silver's first sessions as a leader after leaving the Messengers. Reception. The AllMusic review by Eugene Chadbourne awarded the album 3 stars and states 2 sessions in the mid-50s produced the material for this album, which, despite or perhaps because of being one of the historical early recordings of the Horace Silver Quintet, was later treated to a confusing mess of reissues, some of which never really mentioned what was so historic about the material in the first place. Maybe there was no reason to, since by the new millennium the type of groovy, funky jazz Silver was famous for had become so in demand that any recording of the authentic item was considered coated with golden fairy dust. Track listing. All compositions by Horace Silver except as indicated. Silver's Blue 744. To Beat or Not to Beat 4-3. How long has this been going on? George Gershwin, era Gershwin 4-17. I'll Know Frank Loesser 7-24. Shoutin' Out 6-33. Hanks, Tune Hank Mobley 5-26. The Night Has a Thousand Eyes. Buddy Bernier, Jerry Braden 11-28. Recorded in NYC on July 2. Tracks 2, 3, and 5. July 17. Tracks 1 and 4. And July 18. Tracks 6 and 7. 1956. Personnel. Horace Silver piano. Donald Byrd trumpet. Tracks 1, 4, 6, and 7. Joe Gordon trumpet. Tracks 2, 3, and 5. Hank Mobley tenor saxophone. Doug Watkins bass, 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 bass. Art Taylor drums. Tracks 1, 4, 6, and 7. Kenny Clarke drums. Tracks 2, 3, and 5. References.